Tesla factories are a death trap. Oh wait, no, the opposite. Here are the reasons why Tesla has the best factory safety in the industry. I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla Weekend. Well, this video comes courtesy of a lot of research and writing done by GAIL Alpha in Texas. I will include her Twitter handle and her website in the description below. She does a lot of great research and she gave me permission to use this, so let's take a look at it. This video will bring you along as we look into how Tesla has become a leader in job site safety in manufacturing. The focus will be on statements about workplace safety from Elon at the 2022 shareholder meeting and the Tesla 2021 impact report. You'll look at Tesla's approach to software as a way to improve safety. And then finally, we'll see how Tesla is making an extraordinary effort to protect over 5,000 contractors beyond their own staff. For fun, we'll share what it was like walking through Tesla's employee cafeteria, where Elon says everyone eats the same food, uses the same restrooms, etc. No executive chef or other ivory tower stuff. You'll see two rare pictures of the cafeteria at the end of this video. In 2021, our focus remained on protecting people, the planet, our property, and products. That's from the impact report. Elon spoke about factory safety on August 4th at the 2022 shareholder meeting.
And we've also made a lot of improvement with factory safety. So I think we believe we now have the best factory safety in the industry. So we're excited to have very good safety and getting better. And a bunch of this is driven by just encouraging people within the factory to submit ideas for safety improvement. And we've passed our goal of 3 suggestions per employee this year. And this really is a game changer for improving safety.
Tesla featured employee Sherry Ihrig in the 2021 impact report. Sherry made over 1,800 improvement suggestions using the Take Charge software. Her suggestions were to safety, processes, cost savings, and even more since the program's start in early 2021. She said, "The Take Charge program encourages associates to increase their awareness of the work environment. When these and other potential safety hazards are noticed and resolved, it allows associates to improve their overall work performance." And if you look at this chart, as to the number of submissions that went through the Take Charge system, you can see it has absolutely exploded. Maybe the most important aspect of humans working alongside big machines is safety. Software should be designed to improve processes and ensure safety instead of stagnating. Elon likens his factories to giant cybernetic collectives. Maybe the safety processes can improve when all workers operate at the same level. On June 2nd, Elon Musk described this in a tweet. Everyone eats the same food, uses the same restrooms, etc. No executive chef or other ivory tower stuff. There shouldn't be this workers versus management two-class system. Everyone's a worker. When GAIL visited Gigafactory, Texas on August 4th for the shareholder meeting, all participants got to walk through the employee coffee shop, the cafeteria, the food truck area, and use the company restrooms. And it's true, there's no special area for the executives, including Elon himself. Tesla builds new software to improve safety. See, in early 2021, Tesla developed new software to help workers build capacity to ensure safeguards are in place and functioning. This is from the Impact Report 2021. In order to build capacity and allow our workers to fail safely, we need a more dynamic approach on how we collect and manage data that allows us to make decisions that reduce risk. In response to that, we developed an internal environment, health, safety, and security tool named My EHS to help drive execution and improve outcomes by allowing the intake and visualizations of data globally. We designed and deployed 11 modules in 2021, allowing us to better manage our EHS EHS&S information, identify emerging risks, and take action to implement improvements suggested by our employees. Foremost in this effort was our improvement suggestion module, Take Charge. Combined with Action Tracker, this module allows workers to submit improvement suggestions in various categories, including environment, health, safety, security, people, and accuracy, while connecting with their supervisors and other work groups to identify and implement solutions to improve the presence of safeguards. But maybe the bigger thing is that Tesla extends safety protections to over 5,000 contractors. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that the civilian occupations with the highest rates of fatalities included roofers and construction trade helpers. Tesla employs solar roof installers and construction workers and contracts with over 5,000 contractors. Tesla is making an extraordinary effort to protect contractors and keep them safe through a program they developed called Constructing Our Future, led by 87 Tesla Responsible Persons and Contractor Responsible Persons who are trained in the new process that includes meeting with a TRP and an EHS&S professional at the location to complete a pre-work risk assessment. From the Impact Report, we are on schedule to release the new and improved supplier and contractor onboarding and management system, Workforce Management, in the second quarter of 2022. This simple, scalable, centralized system will build on the efficiencies of the interim onboarding process and provide better visibility for managers and engineers to track performance, and we will report our contractor injury rates in the 2022 Impact Report. So the conclusion, well, Elon called Tesla's new improvement suggestion module, Take Charge, a game changer for improving safety. One employee said Take Charge encourages associates to increase their awareness of the work environment. When GAIL toured the Gigafactory, Texas, it was easy to see to her why Elon referred to it as an enormous cybernetic collective. Within this gigantic space, Elon stated, everyone eats the same food, uses the same bathrooms, etc. There isn't a two-class system. So safety is an integral part of this collective because it is based on humans and machines and software, all working in symphony, and that includes Tesla's over 5,000 contractors. In fact, they're going to be included in the Impact Report. So as a last little fun fact, at the Tesla 2022 shareholder meeting, everybody got to walk through all the different areas, see all of it. It's all different stuff, and here's a few pictures of it. The cafeteria, stunning, beautiful, clean, white design with floor-to-ceiling glass on both sides. One side has a view of the city of Austin in the distance, and the other side overlooks Model Y production. Also featured near the coffee bar were Model Y seats mounted on a structural battery pack, Model Y frame with castings, and a drivetrain. Now maybe those were just there for the presentation, but still, you get the idea. And my thought on this, separate from what GAIL wrote, is that safety may seem like an expensive element to include for a business, but there is nothing more expensive than a lack of safety. So a quick thank you to my Patreons who get early access, bonus content, look behind the curtain, all that good stuff. And thank you for your decision to support the channel. Maybe like, maybe subscribe, maybe follow me at 4K Podcast on Twitter, all that good stuff. So, what did I miss or misunderstand? Leave me all your thoughts, your wisdom, your brilliance in them comments below, and stay tuned, stay juicy, and I simply cannot wait to hear from you clever robots on the flip side.
And yeah. You don't have to clap after every slide unless you really want to, but